So I'm recording this video to show you how to fix Wallpaper engine if you're getting the black screen. So first, you're gonna have to uninstall the wallpaper you have right now. So let's say I want to uninstall this one. What would I have to do? All you have to do is just unsubscribe, and it should do it. Then when you're done uninstalling it, you're gonna have to close Wallpaper engine like through quit. And then when you do that, you wanna press Windows R, and this should pop up. It's the Windows key and R for rock. So after that, you wanna delete two things. You wanna type in prefetch. As you can see, I already emptied my folder. But if you're here, when you're here, all you will have to do is press Control A, right click, and delete. So then what do you have to do is go to temp, shift 5 if you want to get the parentheses right here. And when you go here, there's gonna be a bunch of stuff here. Do the same, Control A, delete, like that. Then load up Wallpaper engine again and download the wallpaper that's giving you the black screen error. So yeah, like and subscribe.